Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the app is up to date and that you're signed in. This avoids settings mismatch. Once done, open Microsoft Teams on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner. You'll see a menu. Scroll to find settings immediately. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because the language selection may download additional resources. Proceed now to settings so you can change the app language rather than the device language. In settings, look for general or app language. Teams sometimes nests language under general, so check carefully. You'll see a list of languages. Tap the one you want. If the app indicates a restart is needed, allow it so changes apply correctly. That's why I said keep your session saved. If you don't see your language, make sure Teams has permission to override system preferences or try changing your device language temporarily as a fallback. After selecting your language, accept prompts and restart Teams when requested. This applies the interface translation. Once reopened, scan the main UI. Menus, chat labels, and notifications should reflect the new language. If parts still show the old language, sign out and sign back in to refresh settings. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or reinstall Teams if issues persist. That usually resolves lingering resource.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.